Welcome back to Made Tech Craft, where we turn everyday items into extraordinary creations. Today, we have something truly special for you. We're going to transform an old brake pad into a functional and unique piece of craftsmanship. Hi everyone. Today, I'm excited to show you how we can breathe new life into this old brake pad. With a bit of creativity and some handy tools, we'll turn this into something amazing. Step 1. Preparation. Close-up shots of the craftsman cleaning and preparing the brake pad. First, we need to clean the brake pad thoroughly. Removing rust and dirt is crucial to ensure a smooth working surface. I use a wire brush and some rust remover to get rid of all the grime. It's important to wear gloves and work in a well-ventilated area. Step 2. Designing the invention. The craftsman sketches a design on a piece of paper. Next, it's time to design our invention. The possibilities are endless, but today, we're going to create a unique desk organizer. Craftsman asterisk. I've sketched out a simple design that will hold pens, pencils, and even a small notepad. Let's get to work. The craftsman uses a saw and other tools to cut and shape the brake pad. Using a saw, we carefully cut the brake pad into the desired shape. Precision is key here, so take your time and measure twice before cutting. Always remember to wear safety goggles and follow proper safety procedures when working with tools. Step 4. Assembling the pieces. The craftsman assembles the cut pieces and starts putting them together. Now, we assemble the pieces. A bit of welding and some screws will hold everything in place. I use a small welding torch to join the metal pieces. If you're not comfortable with welding, you can use strong adhesive or ask for help from someone experienced. Step 5. Finishing touches. The craftsman sands the edges and applies a coat of paint. Finally, we sand the edges to smooth out any rough spots and apply a coat of paint to give it a polished look. I chose a metallic silver paint to give it a sleek, modern finish. Let it dry completely before using. Final reveal. And there you have it. A unique and functional desk organizer made from an old brake pad. It's amazing what you can create with a bit of imagination and some basic tools. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing DIY creations. See you next time on Made Tech Craft.